Right, time to follow up. So I was at DSG earlier, and for those of you who don't know what DSG stands for, which I wouldn't have known, it stands for Dick's Sporting Goods. And if y'all haven't been in there, wow, they have some nice brands, some really nice stuff. And I found a couple of items that I purchased. I don't remember. Maybe I did buy something at Dick's a really long time ago, like at another store, but this is a newer, nicer store. This is kind of like a cross between a, what do you call it? A sports bra and like a tank top. So it's attached. You see that? There's like a little bit of molding there. And then, yeah, it's attached. It's really comfortable. It's the Kalia brand. So I touched a few of the other pieces. They look like the most sophisticated, like elegant sweat shirts and like sweatpants sets. And they have different names. Of course, they don't call them that because they're nicer than that material. Like they're much softer, like even just this. It is very comfortable. These are my pair of like express leggings that I'm wearing. So these aren't from DSG. I would have loved to buy some Kalia bottoms, but I had to start small, you know. So this top was on a clearance sale, I think for $22, and I got a little bit of a discount off, so I think I ended up paying like around $15. So it's so comfortable. I can't say that enough. The Kalia sweatshirts and overlays they were softer than this, but these Under Armour sweatshirts that they have over there are like the perfect in between like the DSG brand. I'm not saying DSG brand's bad. It's good. I checked them out. They're like such a great value. I almost bought their sweatshirt, but I did see this one on sale, and it's just slightly softer on the outer layer. Like inside, they're both soft and comfortable. It's just the outer layer. I was looking for a little bit more of that, you know, sheen softness on the sweatshirt. I found that in this Under Armour brand. It's normally $60, and I snagged it. It was on sale for $30. And it has a nice thick hoodie. I'm not nice. I'm not used to a nice thick hoodie. Hey, maybe that was a Freudian slip. Maybe I'm not being nice anymore. Maybe I'm not, you know, I've always been kind, but I'm not nice anymore. I'm not nice. You know what I mean? I'm kind. I'm just being myself, and that's it. So maybe that's true. It's a Freudian slip. I love it. But you can see the back, like, I don't know. You can just tell it's a nice thick hoodie, right? And it doesn't have any furries in there. Everything's like intact and built in, which I like. I ended up getting the medium. I was like, I could have gotten this small because they're all like sweatshirts. They're all, you know, little oversized, big enough. There are no furries. Like, it's furry, but like not. I can't explain it. It's smooth and soft with the appearance on the inside of having the furries, but they're not there. If that makes any sense whatsoever. If not, just leave it where I dropped it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really happy with my takeaway there with my apparel, my DSG haul.